My video guide is about removing the new ransomware type infection that is called Dmay. Dmay ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware affects the files that the customers store on their computers, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, but the point is that certain computers may be vulnerable due to outdated anti-malware databases. Because of that, the computer may be infected with all sorts of threats, not only this ransomware, but ransomware Dmay is one of such threats. So when you restart your computer and then turn it on again someday, you might suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with your files and that you cannot open your data anymore. This Dmay ransomware is able to encrypt and damage all these files. So when you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. Now, there are several recommendations we want to give you. One of them is to open the task manager, look for suspicious processes, and terminate them and their task to stop the further file encryption. This can help you at least save some of your files from being encrypted. The ransomware, called Dmay, of course, tells its victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So don't pay the ransom. Do not ever pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner during the scan will reveal all kinds of threats, including threats like adware, browser hijackers, and of course ransomware. Speaking about ransomware, there is a good feature in Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you will see the report. You'll be able to know the exact locations of threats, and we do recommend upgrading to Premium. This is the best way to remove this ransomware and to get your files always protected in the future.